What I've got to show you today is a program built by the web team and division of the Comcast Spectacor IT department in the Wells Fargo Center. This program is an application that will show people around and make them comfortable with the Wells Fargo Center. This is actually a web page that's made to look like an app. It's kind of skin like one. You'll see some buttons and things like that you normally see in apps. The first page here gives you a rundown. First thing you'll see is a let us know button link. Obviously this is to solicit any feedback. We'd love to hear from people any ideas or thoughts they have on the program. And down in the corner there's a select my section button that I'm going to click now. So we're going to click the drop down and pick from it the section our seats are in. Okay, say 107 and done. It's going to put a little star in the section that I just picked. It's going to help you locate it, whether you're new with the arena or you'd like to find some things that are close to you. We currently have the two different levels available, mezzanine level and the main concourse. Now that I have my section picked, I'm going to go to the home page. And you'll see at the bottom there the Toyota ad. This app has many different possibilities for banner ads like that. They can go at the bottom or the top. So the main page here lists food and drink, restrooms, security/first aid, parking, live traffic, more options, and update your seat selection. Obviously, update your seat selection. You can go to it maybe the next time that you're at the Wells Fargo Center or you'd like to see where a specific other section is. So we're going to start with food and drink. I click there, and the different options I have are show all concession stands, beer list, non-alcoholic drinks, view all food items, gluten-free items, vegetarian options, healthy options, and my favorite desserts. So we're going to look at the show all concession stands, and as you might be able to see, it'll give you a dot wherever a concession stand exists on both levels. So we're going to go back to the food page and look at the beer list. Now, the first way that you can pick through things, and the food acts the same way, is through every different type of thing. In this case with the beer, every brand that's within the Wells Fargo Center. So I'm going to click on my favorite, Blue Moon, and there's two places on the mezzanine level that I can get that. My fellow web team guys are big Guinness guys. You can see that there's 3 locations on the main concourse and 2 on the mezzanine level that sell Guinness. All right. Okay. So that's the different types of beer. If you want to see the same type of thing in food, there are tons and tons and tons of different food listed. We could also look at the concession stands specifically. This was a concession stand I showed you a second ago. I'm going to click on one. It's going to show me that specific one, Nacho Express. But right now that's what they have entered in as the stuff they have there. So let's take a look at the next spot, the restrooms. There's 3 buttons, obviously, men's, women's, and show all. In a case like mine where you bring your family to an event, you're going to need to know the different ones. The ones are for the men's rooms, and the pink for the ladies. There's the main concourse. You can see where your section is, and what's the closest opportunities to your seat. Now let's go back to that home page where all the different options are. That covered the first 2, security and first aid. It'll locate the security, first aid offices closest to you. They're on the main concourse level, so you can see the button up there. Let's go back. There's a parking map. Best viewed. Let's try it this way. The horizontal. Okay. It should help you find your car. Next is live traffic. Loading the map now. Of course, after an event, you'll see a lot of red lines. But right now, that takes you into the general area of South Philly. Here we are. Let's go back. More options. We have guest services, ATMs, exits, smoking areas, and as I said before, the feedback area where you'll be able to add in your name, email, and any comments you have. Okay? As I said, we'd love to hear from you. Good exits too while we're there. And you can see all the exits that are on the main concourse level. Guest services, there's one on the Broad Street side on the main level. And ATMs. They're within the building. Okay. There's also a button at the bottom there that you might notice for, right now it says events. During a Flyers event, that will link off to either the NHL app or Flyers site, the Flyers site. Same with the Sixers, and during events we will link off to the Wells Fargo Phil website. Right now, the program is on the iPhone. As you see, we have recently adapted it quickly to the ad platform, and soon we will have it ready for the Android and any other newer phones that use an HTML5 platform. More to come.